Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all of the Script Supervisor Bumblebee locations in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematic Festival update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update has been released in Heartopia and there are new insects that you can catch. Well, let me show you. Okay, this is the Dreamlight Cinematic Festival insect in Heartopia. There are 4 types of the bumblebee that you can catch. The first one is the pink Script Supervisor Bumblebee, and then the red one, the green one, and purple one. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys where you can catch this pink one. For the pink Script Supervisor Bumblebee, you can catch them from the flower field, especially from the windmill flower field. And I'm going to show you the location on the map. Okay, right here. Go to this area, guys, the windmill flower field near Fernie. And I'm going to show you another location. And for the red Script Supervisor Bumblebee, you can catch this insect from the Whale Mountain. And the Whale Mountain is here. Wait, let me show you. Okay, Whale Mountain. And again, let's move to the next one. Okay, and for the green Script Supervisor Bumblebee, you can catch this insect from the Amethyst Beach. Now I'm at the Amethyst Beach. It's right here near the fishing village. Okay, and I'm going to show you the last bumblebee. Okay, the last one is the purple one. You can catch this insect from the windmill flower field, just like the red one. Oh, sorry, just like the pink one. Okay guys, and that's all the Bumblebee locations in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!